Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, my students.
Dan
How are you today? Are you still okay this afternoon?
okay, sir.
Okay, I believe. Okay, I'm sorry, Irdana, I can't hear your voice. Do you have a problem?
Yes, sir. There is trouble with signal, sir. Network.
Okay, never mind. Okay, this afternoon, before we begin our activity, let's pray to our God based on our religions. I hope that by praying, we will learn seriously and enthusiastic about the material this afternoon. Last meeting, we have learned about the procedure text. Do you still remember procedure text? What is it?
So how to make and how to do something, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, Refi. Where is the other student, Refi?
Yeah, they want you to admit, sir.
There are two students come late this afternoon, Etriawati and Nurhalima. Okay, this afternoon, I want to deliberate about the aim of our lesson today about formal invitations, especially in written formal invitations. We will know about the definitions, generic structure, social functions, and some example of formal and informal invitations.
Today's lesson, we will talk about how to write a formal invitation. Nah, sebelum kita menulis formal invitation, Miss akan memberikan contoh dulu nih. Formal invitation itu isinya seperti apa. Let's see this example. Well, students, this is the example of formal invitation. And before you write the formal invitation, we have to know the structure of this text. Ya, jadi kita harus paham dulu nih struktur dari teks ini seperti apa. Miss akan menunjukkan bagian-bagian pada teks ini ya. Yang bagian pertama yaitu coffee company cordially invites on the occasion of soft opening. Nah, coffee company ini adalah host atau si tuan rumah yang mengadakan acara. Coffee company ini adalah hostnya. Cordially invites, sebentar Miss ganti. Coffee company ini tadi adalah hostnya ya. Cordially invites itu adalah expression of inviting someone. Jadi itu adalah ekspresi dalam invitation yang sangat sering digunakan. Bisa cordially invites, seeks your presence gitu ya. Nah selanjutnya ya, on the occasion of soft opening. Nah ini adalah nama dari acaranya. Lalu kapan acaranya? Ini adalah day and date ya. Kapan, jam berapa, hari apa gitu ya. Lalu at Cool Street number 100 ini adalah venue-nya. Nanti Miss akan beri tanda ya di sini, ini adalah venue-nya. Lalu ada RSVP. RSVP ini adalah untuk respon. Apakah kamu akan hadir atau tidak? Dan kita perlu menuliskan RSVP ya kalau misalnya kita diundang. Nah, sebagai yang punya acara kan ya, dalam teks ini menggunakan simple present tense. Diingat-ingat, kita akan menggunakan simple present tense. Selanjutnya, tulisannya dibuat di tengah-tengah gitu ya, di center. Nah, jadi kita akan membuat seperti ini. Tapi kita akan membuatnya di tulis tangan. Oke?
Now, let's see the PowerPoint below. Formal invitations. Before we talk about the formal invitations, Triwati, I want to ask you.
Yes, sir.
Do you ever invite your friend come to your home?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you ever invite someone to come to your home, it means that you have make an invitation. Is it right? Now we want to talk about the definition of invitations. Who can read this PowerPoint?
Me, sir.
Okay. Triwati, loudly please.
Formal invitation is a spoken or written request for someone to present or to participate or to do something.
So today we only talk about written requests for someone to present or to participate or to do something. It means written formal invitation. This is our material today. Do you know what is difference between formal and informal invitations? Irdana?
Formal resmi, sir.
Formal resmi, berarti kalau informal tidak resmi.
Tidak resmi.
Oke, Etriwati.
Yes, sir.
How about the generic structure of formal invitation? Can you read it?
Okay, wait, sir.
Okay, number 1, what is it?
Generic address heading.
What is address heading?
The writer's full address.
Okay, next, number 2.
Date.
Date, it contain day, month, and year. Okay, the other student who want to try to read it? Nurhalima, Revi.
Subject line.
Okay, and next. Okay.
Main subject of
Okay.
a letter.
Okay, from the PowerPoint, we can see about the generic structure formal invitation. Okay, next, simple present tense. Juga kita menggunakan future tense. Apa perbedaannya?
Kalau present sekarang, sir. Kalau future akan datang.
Oke, terima kasih jawabannya. Bagus. Berarti di dalam written invitations bisa kita menggunakan simple present, bisa juga kita menggunakan futures. Oke. Any questions?
Sir.
Okay. This is about how to respond the invitation from our friends. For example, accepting or refusing the invitation. Fanny, can you read its generic structure? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I give
Yes,
you
sir.
I give you 10 minutes to discuss with your friends about this example of formal invitations, and then I'll ask you one by one to present
Okay, sir.
next invitations. Okay, about this one, this is formal or is informal invitations?
Informal, sir.
Informal. Okay, thank you. How about this one? This is
Formal, sir.
formal or informal?
Formal, sir.
How about Muhammad Dani Aulia?
Muhammad Dani Aulia is the sender, sir.
The sender. Okay, thank you very much. I think all my students have comprehended about the material. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
No, sirs? Do you can understand my lesson today?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, if you don't have questions, I want to ask you to make some example of formal and informal invitations. First, formal invitation about school graduation party, it lists 30 words. That is number 1. And number 2, write one example of informal invitations about friend's birthday party. It lists 30 words.
When we collect, sir.
Bisa minggu depan paling lambat sebelum hari pertemuan bahasa Inggris kembali.
Di mana kita kirimkan, sir?
Bisa, you can send your answer by swap photo in my personal WhatsApp. You must remember about the penilaiannya. Yang pertama, you must remember about the contents, vocabularies, syntax, mechanics, and organization. Okay, until here, if there is no questions, because the time is up, we close our material today. And don't forget to read your book for the next material. And don't forget to keep your health. Don't forget to wear masks and keep social distance about the coronavirus. Okay,
Yes, sir.
see you for the next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, sir.